Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and the day has finally come where I'm going to install my Dissent Off-road bumper. Today I'm just going to install the base bumper, and then I will do a follow-on assembly and installation of the swing outs. And I have all the parts out here that I'm going to be putting on the truck, including the two main wings that go on either side, the hitch that mounts in the center to the center cross member. This also sandwiches the cross member with this and attaches to the bumper. There's a couple spacers that I'm not sure if I need them for my cross member or not. Some of the 100 series need these spacers. The big thing I need to do to get started is get my old recovery points taken off and the main receiver hitch and the plastic bumper. Get all that stuff out of there, get the spare tire dropped, and see what I'm working with. I've got plenty of PB Blaster, some anti-seize compound, some rust preventer paint just to cover up any areas that I need to along the way. There's really only two modifications that need to be made while you're installing this, and one is you need to drill a couple half-inch holes in the side of the frame, and the other is to cut a couple pinch welds up towards the tire area, right where the front of the bumper wing installs. Hey guys, before I get started, I wanted to give a special thanks to Sam at Deep South Overlander. He's been messaging me, giving me pointers on this install. He has some great videos on the installation of this exact bumper. I really appreciate all his help. And thanks to Ben Calhoun for being out there and producing these awesome bumpers. You can check him out on DissentOffroad.com. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for alerts. Let us know if you have any questions at all about our bumper install or anything else about our 100 series Land Cruiser or anything we have going on. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoy the video. Now let's get started. The first thing I need to do is get the spare out of the way, and then remove my recovery points and factory tow hitch. Get them started with this breaker. I think just these 3 bolts on each side and the whole receiver is going to come down. Pretty sure the bumper has a whole new wiring harness, so that plugs in up here. There we go. Oh yeah, it's starting to come loose. All right, probably gonna need a hand. Go any further with this. Go ahead and spray some PB Blaster up in here. It's a little bit corroded, but not too bad. But this will just help lubricate those threads and clean them out. The receiver hitch is heavy. I was solo at this point, so I used a floor jack and some jack stands to carefully lower the hitch. Sorry I lost the video of the drop. There are 3 screws in each wheel well holding the bumper on.
That looks rusty.
Yeah, I noticed of all the places in the car, there's probably the most corrosion I've noticed. And I don't know why I didn't see that before, but I'm definitely going to clean that up a little bit and put some paint on it. But all I have to take out is these. Oh, look, that one's broke off. Oh, these are both broke off. I'm going to take this off, and this is going to fall down. Can you hold it? Mm-hmm. And then I'll get the other side. Going to get some, yeah, that's why you need glasses. All right, so that's all loose now. It's like somebody probably backed into this, and that's why some of these things are broken. I'm a little surprised I've not noticed this before. All right, we're going to clean that all up. Oh, you know what? Look at that. You know what this is? This isn't going to work. This has been hit. Huh. So, I didn't realize this, but my cross member was hit in the back, and now this isn't straight, so I can't mount a bumper. I can't mount a bumper to that, right? The bumper uses this as a mounting point.
Well, that sucks.
Oh, that's not good. It does suck. This is a big problem because basically to fix this, I need this new piece and I need this cut out and a new one welded back in. That's not good. I've had a little time for the discovery of the rear cross member damage to sink in, and this is clearly something that's not going to be usable for the installed Dissent Off-road bumper. so I'm going to have this cut out and replaced. I've posted some things on I Hate Mud to see if anybody has an idea of what that might cost, or give me any ideas of different routes I can go with having this prepared. And I've also called my insurance company just to see if this is something they might cover. I think anybody that's looking into buying a rear bumper, that the installation is dependent on the rear cross member, take the time to pull off that plastic bumper and check the condition of this before you hit that order button. If I would have known that this was damaged, certainly would have had this fixed before I ordered the bumper. So the next time I see you guys, hopefully I'll have some good news about the cross member and get this project moving forward again. But right now, we're going to be on hold for a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for our upcoming videos on the progression of our Dissent Off-road bumper installation. Thanks a lot for watching.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.